This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Pasquotank River is the backdrop for this Whitehall Shores neighborhood. Rich history and water access community including boat ramps, community park and sandy beach. Freshly painted, new floors in kitchen and landing area, updates to baths, new kitchen stove, stainless steel appliances, gas fireplace, large deck, first floor master and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.